How to hide any WhatsApp chats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, to hide any chats, hold on to the chat and click on the archive button, which is at the top with the arrow. And you'll find archived at the top. Click on it, you'll find the chat. But if you want to actually hide it, what you can also do is hold on to the message, click on the three dots at the top right, click on lock chat, press on continue, confirm your lock chat pattern, and you'll find lock chats at the top. If you click on it, you'll find the chat in here. And these are the two methods to hide WhatsApp chat. This is how to hide any WhatsApp chats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.